Hello everyone! In this video, I will be installing an oil catch can into the Corolla again. And then after, I'll be preventing myself from getting another heat stroke in the Subi. Now before we carry on with the video, if you enjoy, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. At the time of this recording, we are currently only 60 subscribers away from 2,000 on YouTube, which is absolutely crazy. So if you are new and you enjoy, make sure to hit subscribe. Recently, I've heard about a glitch going around on YouTube that causes you to be unsubscribed from people that you're subscribed to. I don't know if it's true or not. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Just to be safe, it only takes a couple seconds to just scroll down and make sure that you're subscribed. It would really help out a lot, especially if you are unsubscribed, so that you can be resubscribed. And that's it. Enjoy the video. There we go, that's catch can number 2 installed. So, yesterday, I put the catch can on. I made a couple changes, it's all the same, but just really only one slight modification. So in the video, I laid this hose over top the intake and routed it to the can. And now I've gone back and just routed it under. I was going to route this like way down there, just really hidden away, but it's not long enough. I cut it too short, so that's going to be a no-go there. And then this hose is still the same. I am considering cutting off this little insulation bit and just revealing the actual hose part, but I don't know. I'll think about it. It does look cool either way. Unlike the first eBay one that I did, which the video understandably has like 40 dislikes, it actually has a dipstick. It doesn't have anything on it. I've only driven the car for a day, but it has a dipstick, so I can see if I collect any oil. With the first catch can, I didn't actually get a whole lot of oil dumped in there. So I'm guessing it's going to be the same with this one. I guess this car just burns really clean, so I'm not too concerned about this filling up super quickly, but I do like to have it here. Nice that I've got a catch can anyway. It was also pretty funny how the actual video of doing the installation took literally 50 seconds. I finished editing it, and it's 50 seconds of the video. So that's the main topic of the video. Took 50 seconds. That's kind of funny, actually. For the past month and a half, this car has been cooking me alive because the blower didn't work. This is a new blower. It's not, it's old, but this is a used blower that should work. Most of these were 200-ish on Amazon, which a bit pricey. This particular one, pretty good shape. It's only 120. So a lot cheaper. Also, this filter is junk, so we've got this one going in. And I mean, I'm just saying, yikes. Gotta shrink it like an accordion, and then pop it in. Cool. And then this goes back somehow. Yeah, that seems right. Now we jam the new blower back in there, wherever it goes, there. Well, now I've figured out why this one's so much cheaper. It's because the clips are broken, so it doesn't stay together. But it should be fine because there's a bolt down here that I'm gonna have to install anyway. So that'll probably hold it up
high enough to just, it doesn't have to be a perfect seal. I don't care, as long as I get as long as I get airflow, I don't care. Well, I think it's working. Well, it's blowing air. I can't say that it's exceptionally cold, but it is blowing air, which is an improvement. I also don't know how well you can hear me because it's blowing air at maximum speed. And one last order of business. Won't be needing this anymore. Dang, last ever parking pass at high school. But I've got AC again, so who cares?